Buying a townhouse is a good investment. Buying a home at any stage of life is a big decision. For first home buyers, buying a townhouse can be a great footprint into the property market, while savvy investors can find a well-located property with low maintenance. Not everyone wants a townhouse. At Crest Property Investments, we help source brand new and off-the-plan properties for buyers. In our daily experiences, not all property types suit everyone, but we wanted to take the opportunity to highlight some of the key benefits that may entice you to consider them in the future. While others may be in love with a standalone house, no matter what it may be, in this podcast, we highlight some of the reasons why buying a townhouse is a good investment. Number 1, townhouses are a hybrid. It can be as big as a house, but be designed as a unit. Modern townhouses are being carefully designed with larger internal floor plans than previously developed. The main difference between a spacious townhouse and a standalone house is the fact that a townhouse has a smaller external area. In some cases, the external can be either a balcony or a courtyard. It can sometimes have both. Townhouses also share a plot and may have a smaller shared communal space, such as a shared driveway, but the internal area is built up rather than over a single-story level. In recent years, townhouses have come in both 2 levels and even 3, while some are now featuring a secured basement to allow more living space from the ground level up. For investors, townhouses are a lower maintenance asset to own, with tenants also appreciating not being committed to maintaining the gardens. Also remember that owning a townhouse means you also own the land. Number 2, better affordability to a house. When investing in a property, it's the land component that is more expensive than the build. Having a larger internal and smaller external area allows the property's overall price tag to be more affordable. Of course, a house in 35-kilometre distance from Melbourne CBD will be cheaper than a townhouse in South Melbourne, which is probably a 3-kilometre radius from the city, but this is not what we mean. If you compare a townhouse to a standalone house in the same location, the price can be substantially cheaper. It's not unheard of to see a $500,000 price difference in certain metropolitan suburbs in Melbourne. Number 3, location and convenience. Many new and off-the-plan townhouse developments are superbly located in highly demanded areas, while they are also often conveniently located close to amenities and public transport. For investors, rental demand is always higher if you have a property located in an area that offers a great social life and provides a prompt commute to the Melbourne CBD. Sourcing a traditional house within walking distance to a train station or a school zone can be difficult to find, while they are very heavily priced at a premium. Number 4, modern floor plans. Many older traditional standalone houses are outdated. They often have the kitchen away from the living or lounge area. They can lack natural light and often have obsolete appliances. The colour schemes and designs can also look quite tired. Most investors want a property that offers longevity and a good tenant. Many sophisticated people look to rent often prefer a nice brand new home that presents well. New townhouses include great open floor plans with only the kitchen island bench separating the living area. They have large windows that can be from floor to ceiling, while the stone benchtops and splashback bring a classy finish to the home. Bathrooms are also coming with larger showers, tiles are going from floors to ceilings, and there are some fine touches such as modern mirror designs, double basins, and even more energy efficiency. Number 5, rental yield. A rental yield is the annual rental income received or forecasted to receive as a percentage of the total value of a property. A good rental yield determines the rental income you'll receive. In regards to residential property investments, a rental yield of above 4% is seen as a very good return. The more expensive a property, the harder it is to continue to increase the rent to match the capital value. Townhouses generally return a higher rental yield, and you have the ability to lease the entire property. For a house and land, you're only renting the actual house, not the land. It may have a larger backyard, which may attract a tenant, but it's difficult to increase your rental yield if a townhouse next door is worth less and charging less rent. What should you do? Buying a townhouse is a good investment. Sensible and strategic planning will see you find some great investment value in the property market. Be mindful not to absorb half of a story from friends and family. Seeking professional advice will help you source the right property for you. If you're a property investor, buy where you can afford and maintain a long time frame. Employing some simple principles will deliver the returns you desire. If you're looking to buy a property, either to occupy or invest, please don't hesitate to contact us. We can help source and negotiate a deal that's right for you. We don't charge fees for buyers, so this is a great opportunity to get some great advice and to find the right property that fits you and your budget. If you'd like to learn more about our service, feel free to explore our website at www.crestproperty.net.au. Thanks for listening.